Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus SD key battery. First, let's gather what you'll need to get started. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother. Familiarize yourself with your key fob's design. It typically has a seam where the two halves meet. This preparation ensures a quick and easy battery replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or a distinct seam along the edge of your key fob. This is where you'll begin. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this opening. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, being careful not to use too much force to avoid any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces down. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing down, just like the old one. Ensure it sits snugly in its place for proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Make sure all the edges are flush and there are no gaps. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, including locking, unlocking, and the trunk release, to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.